As shown in figure, in the circuit as shown in figure, find the current through 1 kilo ohm resistor using Thevenin's theorem. Using Thevenin's theorem, how to find the current through 1 kilo ohm resistor or voltage drop across 1 kilo ohm resistor. So, what is Thevenin's theorem? We have already known that any linear bilateral network can be replaced with respect to two terminal by an equivalent voltage generator V Thevenin connected in series with a resistance R Thevenin, where V Thevenin is the open circuit voltage, and R Thevenin is the equivalent resistance which can be obtained by looking from the open circuit terminal. Now, steps to find the Thevenin equivalent circuit. Step 1, finding a Thevenin voltage. First step is to find the solution of the given network. First what we have to do? First we have to remove the load terminal. Wherever we have to find out the current, first you remove the load terminal AB. Once we remove that will be treated as open circuit. Now the open circuit will be as shown in figure. Okay. Now due to the 12 voltage source, let current flowing through 1000 ohm. Okay, the same current also flow through 2000 ohm. Being connected, now here you see, here whatever the current flow through 1000 ohm, the same current flow through 2000 ohm. Because this side is open. Okay. So open means no current flow through the 100 ohm. Clear? So total resistance here is how much? That is 1000 ohm plus 2000 ohm. So being 1000 ohm, 2000 ohm, same current flowing. So applying voltage division formula, we can find the voltage across 2000 ohm. Again I am telling. Now you see, due to 12 voltage source, let I1 current flowing through 1000 ohm. Okay. And say I2 current flowing through 100 ohm. But what about I2 now? I2 is now becomes 0. Why? Because this is open circuit. Open circuit means infinite resistance. Okay. So whatever the current flow through 1000 ohm, the same current also flow through 2000 ohm. Okay. Being the same current flow, we can say connected in series. Our objective is we have to find out the open circuit voltage. So using voltage division formula, open circuit voltage how to find? That is total voltage into wherever we have to find out the voltage across the resistor, that resistance, that is 2000 divided by total resistances of series combination. Okay. So this is your open circuit. Now here you see how to find the voltage across AB. Now voltage across AB equals to voltage across 2000 ohm. Okay. So voltage across 2000 ohm will be total voltage, supply voltage, that is 12 volt into 2000 divided by 2000 plus 1000. This is your voltage divider rule. Or also you can find, once you will find the current, okay, current into resistance, that is the voltage drop across 2000 ohm. So that is whatever the open circuit voltage now we will get, that is known as Thevenin voltage. Clear all of you? So open circuit voltage across AB, that is Thevenin voltage. This is step 1. Next come to step 2. Step 2 is what? That is finding of Thevenin's resistance. What is Thevenin resistance? Thevenin resistance is the equivalent resistance which can be obtained by looking from the open circuit terminal. Okay, we have to find out looking from the open circuit terminal. Okay, once you find the Thevenin equivalent resistance, so whatever the source in the network, if the voltage source is there, voltage source must be removed and replaced by their internal resistance. Here you see voltage source is short circuited. Clear all of you? 12 volt is okay, that is short circuited. If current source in the circuit, that may be open circuited. So in this case, to find the Thevenin resistance, okay, now you see, assuming a voltage source across AB. So due to the voltage source, let current flowing this like this. Okay, some current flow through this, some current flow through this. Clear? So now 2000 ohm and 1000 ohm connected in parallel. 2000 ohm and 1000 ohm connected in parallel, and their parallel combination series with 100 ohm. Clear? So Thevenin resistance can be found, that is 2000 parallel to 1000, and their parallel combination series with 100 ohm. So we can find 2300 by 3 ohm. Okay, 2300 by 3 ohm, and Thevenin resistance, that is 766.67 ohm. Okay, this is equation 2. Equation 2. So in step 1 we have got the Thevenin voltage, and in step 2 we got the Thevenin resistance. So next step is what? Finding of Thevenin equivalent circuit. How to find the Thevenin equivalent circuit? As per the statement we have already known, any linear bilateral network can be replaced with respect to two terminal by an equivalent voltage generator V Thevenin connected in series with a resistance R Thevenin. So this is your Thevenin equivalent circuit. Clear? Then step 4. Step 4. Now we got the Thevenin equivalent circuit. In step 4, now whatever the load resistance that we have removed from the beginning earlier, now you connect across AB. Once you will connect, that will become a closed circuit. Okay. Now the load resistance we have removed earlier, that is 1 kilo ohm. Now we got the value of V Thevenin and R Thevenin. If we will connect RL, so this is a closed path. Okay, so current through the load RL becomes V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL. So V Thevenin we know 8 volt, and R Thevenin is 766.67, and load resistance is 1 kilo ohm, means 1000 ohm. So we can get 4.53 milliampere. Okay, so in this way we can find the solution using Thevenin's theorem. So any circuit given like this, okay, by using step by step various steps to find the solution of the network using Thevenin's theorem, we can find the solution. Okay, so we can find the current through the load branch 1 kilo, that becomes 4.53 milliampere. Okay, so clear all of you? So load current now V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL, that becomes 4.53 milliampere. Okay.